Hi everyone, my research topic is the impact of using social media for communication. This is my title page. First, my research question is, what are the impacts of using social media to communicate with families or friends, and how is impacting face-to-face communication? And my thesis statement is in digital area, the social context affects the ways of people communicate. Social media is an emerging industry and widespread in today's society. People are more connected with each other by these social applications such as WeChat, Facebook, or QQ. However, social media provides more social channels to people. People are more alone at the same time. Supporting one, social media is a platform that facilitates communication and sharing. Jinan 2018 shows the friends she met along the way of using social media and found the beauty and amazing in social content. She is a introvert girl, and social media has enabled her to harvest precious friendship from all over the world. Those photos are friends that this girl recognized through social networks, and they all come from different countries and have different occupations. Social media can achieve long-distance communication. The thought and the information conveyed by one person can be known to many people, and people can broaden their social circles and post some interesting text, video, and pictures on social software such as Weibo, Instagram, and Twitter. Meanwhile, social media also is a type for students abroad to connect with their friends and families. According to Sandel 2014, a Chinese student said that Renren and QQ are very important to keep in touch with family and friends when they study abroad because it is a form of interaction and learning. For most international students, when they live and study alone in a strange country, they miss family and friends. The Internet allows information to be transmitted instantly. Compared with the past communication method, the Internet has brought a qualitative leap to a new way of communication, and it has also brought convenience to students. When students are homesick, they can see family face clearly by making a video call. Supporting two, social media makes people more lonely. Social media has made people more densely networked than ever, but people are more alone at the same time. The size and the scope of Facebook are shocking. In the summer of 2010, Facebook became the first site to receive 1 trillion page views in a single month. In the last 3 months of 2011, users guaranteed an average of 2.7 billion per year. However, the new social model that comes with Facebook has made people lonely and from the social interactions of the real world. Loudon 2018 says there's a significant evidence that the consumption of social media is harmful to people's mental health. After using Facebook, people feel lonely and experience a decline in self-esteem. The reason is that the consumers feel uncertain about their values, beliefs, appearance, and emotions. They want to appear more positive when their daily life or emotion is posted to the public. As a result, They choose to live alone in a virtual context where people can get feelings of safety from their imagination. Therefore, there are some people use social media instead of face-to-face interaction, especially those who suffer from social anxiety. They are afraid of face-to-face interaction with other people, especially strangers. So social media seem to be a safer choice for them. And the conclusion. Communication is a medium of separating information. Everything in the world needs a tie to connect. In interpersonal communication, people share their feelings and transfer their information with others. With the development of high-tech society, social networking sites have increased the number of friends and people have strengthened connections with families, especially those who have been separated. Social media is fully integrated into this digital society, and people can see all types of social media everywhere. But at the same time, social media has gradually made people reluctant to talk face-to-face with others and become loner. Social media has brought great benefit to people's communication, but it has also produced some negative effect in actual communication. Thank you so much. And this is my reference.